Hi, I'm Raheli and this is Vegan Girl Travels. On this channel, I share everything related to traveling as a solo female. I share my travel adventures, travel tips, how to eat vegan when traveling, and packing. If you are interested to explore the world and join my adventures, make sure to subscribe to join the community. Hi, and welcome to Vegan Girl Travels. I'm Raheli, and this past April I graduated from college and decided to make my dream of traveling around the world a reality. So I took a year off to visit all the cities and countries I've been dreaming of going to for a while. And another passion of mine is photography and videography, so I thought it would be perfect to document my travels and share them here. And I actually already have another YouTube channel called Living Life Simply where I share things about veganism, minimalism, and zero waste, so you can check that out if you're interested in those topics. But this channel is meant to inspire you guys to follow your own dreams, whether that is to travel or something else. And I will be sharing on this channel different travel tips, as well as my own travels, of course, also what I pack for my trips, and how to eat vegan while you're traveling. So if you're interested in any of those topics, make sure to subscribe down below in order to join this community. And I will see you all very soon. Bye!